Dixon, that's very good. You are talking as an opposition senator. That's very good. We tolerate you.
Mr. President, you gave me the floor.
You are protected.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, without prejudice to an official appreciation that I will extend to the Senate in due course, I want to thank you, Leader of the Senate, and my colleagues for the empathy that you have shown me in the course of the passing on of two of my children. Having said that, Mr. President, I want to say that I am happy that the Senate leader said that those of you elected on the platform of the APC are happy that some members of the minority caucus are joining you. What I don't know is whether those who were not elected on the platform of the APC are happy that they are in APC now. Having said that, Mr. President, those of us on this side of the aisle that have decided to remain here are prepared to remain here to sustain democracy in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Well, here, democracy will still be there. So, that statement of yours, well, it's okay. You are opposition. You have the right to say what you want to say. Thank you very much. Leader of the Senate.